Hot Wheels Acceleracers. What new dangers will you face in the swamp realm? You have just 30 seconds to defeat the Swamp Beast.
This is my swamp.
Attack the track with 6 speed, tear through the turns, and make the jumps before time runs out.
Puny cars.
Now hit the lever, time it just right,
10 seconds left.
and launch your final attack against the Swamp Beast.
No!
Hot Wheels, drive to survive. Accelerator Swamp Beast track set. Adult assembly required. Batteries not included. Car sold separately.
Welcome back to Gearhead Man. I am Mark, your host. This episode is about the 85th Mattel Anniversary with Hot Wheels, 5 collectors pack, and a brief history of Mattel. So buckle up and strap in and hang on. Here we go. 2025 marks a significant milestone in the world of toys and collectibles. The 85th anniversary of Mattel. Founded in 1945, Mattel has become one of the most recognized and influential toy manufacturers globally, shaping childhood memories and the toy industry for generations. As part of this historic celebration, Mattel honors its legacy with special releases, including the highly anticipated Hot Wheels 5-Pack Collector's Edition, Marathon. Since its inception, Mattel has revolutionized the toy industry with iconic brands such as Barbie, Fisher-Price, and of course, Hot Wheels. Mattel's commitment to creativity and quality has set standards for play, learning, and imagination. Over the past 80 years, the company has continually adapted to changing trends, technology, and consumer preferences, remaining a beloved name across the globe. Introduced in 1968, Hot Wheels became an instant phenomenon with its innovative die-cast cars, realistic designs, and vibrant colors. Over the decades, Hot Wheels has expanded its lineup, collaborating with major automotive brands and creating themed collections that appeal to both children and adult collectors. The brand's dedication to detail, speed, and excitement has cemented its place as a staple in toy car culture. To commemorate Mattel's 80-year anniversary, the company has released a special Hot Wheels 5-Pack Collector's Edition. This exclusive pack features 5 meticulously crafted vehicles, each representing a different era or milestone in Hot Wheels history. The packaging is designed with collectors in mind, showcasing unique artwork, anniversary logos, and details that highlight the legacy of both Mattel and Hot Wheels. Exclusive designs. Each car in the collector's pack boasts a special livery or casting, marking the anniversary theme and celebrating classic Hot Wheels styles. Premium packaging. The 5-pack comes in a display-worthy box featuring commemorative graphics and a brief history of Mattel's journey. Limited edition. Produced in limited quantities, the collector's pack is aimed at enthusiasts who appreciate the history and craftsmanship behind the brand. Collectors and fans are eager to get their hands on the 85th anniversary Hot Wheels 5-pack for several reasons. Not only does it represent a piece of Mattel's storied history, but it also offers a unique addition to any Hot Wheels collection. The attention to detail, historical significance, and limited availability make this set a must-have for enthusiasts of all ages, I'm told. Mattel's 80th anniversary is a celebration of innovation, nostalgia, and the enduring appeal of toys that spark imagination. With the release of the Hot Wheels 5-Pack Collector's Edition, Mattel honors its past while inspiring future generations of collectors and fans. Whether you are a lifelong enthusiast or a new admirer, this special edition serves as a tribute to 80 years of play, creativity, and fun.
Push the limits in the world of Hot Wheels. The new cars are here. Get ready to start your engines. The race is on! With hundreds of new cars ready to roll out. You can go wild with epic crashes, speed, and outrageous air. Race into action with new cars every month. Now with the Hot Wheels Showdown app, you can scan and unlock your favorite Hot Wheels cars online. With Hot Wheels, the only rule is make it awesome. Cars and track pieces each sold separately.
All right, that brings the end of another episode here at Gearhead Man. Yeah, the Hot Wheel 80th anniversary. Actually, it's not the 80th anniversary for Hot Wheels. The 80th anniversary for Mattel. And Mattel is the company that created Hot Wheels. But now they also own Matchbox. So they own both of the top two die-cast car companies, which is pretty cool for Mattel. I'm a shareholder in Mattel. Mattel's doing pretty good in the stock market again. They're up over $20 a share. When I bought into them, they were a lot lower than that. And I've been doing a lot of episodes here on Gearhead Man on different Hot Wheels and a few Matchboxes, etc. But let me know what you think in the comments about this episode. Let me know what episodes you want to see in the near future, maybe next year. I'm already planning next year with things I want to cover. So let me know what you want to see, and let me know how we're doing. You know, give us a like, give us a share. If you're not a subscriber, while you're down there leaving a comment, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll get a notification every time we post a new episode here at Gearhead Man. You won't miss anything, because we're always doing something good and something edgy. All right, everyone, thanks for watching this episode. Thank you for being a fan of the channel. We're getting close to 7,000 subscribers. Yeah, isn't that amazing? And we couldn't did any of that without you folks out there supporting the channel. And I do appreciate all you've done. And you know, keep helping us out. Again, give us a like, give us a share, subscribe, all the above. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see everyone next episode, and everyone be safe out there.